God is love, and He created us to have a relationship with Him. He isn't some mythological being we can only learn about in books. He's real and wants to have a personal relationship with you. Where you may struggle is figuring out how to make that happen. Finding time for God in your busy schedule isn't always easy, but it is worth it. Read the Bible. The best way to get to know God is to read His Word, the Bible. It tells us about God's creation, instructions for living, and tells us about God's love for us. It also provides answers to questions you may have about God, His Son Jesus, and how to live a successful life. You may feel that reading the Bible takes a lot of time, but you can find ways to read it more efficiently. Instead of reading the whole Bible from beginning to end, you can read the books in the order they were written. This can help you understand God's history. Or you can read the New Testament, which is all about the life of Jesus. Whatever way you choose to read the Bible, you can find a way to make it work for you. And you'll be amazed at how it will change you. Pray regularly. God talks to us, but sometimes it can be hard to hear what He is saying because we're so caught up in our own thoughts and feelings. We can have a conversation with God by praying. Prayer is talking to God, and He really does reply. Praying isn't something you have to do in a certain way. You can pray out loud, or you can pray silently in your mind. You can pray while you're sitting still, or you can pray while you're doing something active like walking or running. Making time to pray is important because it's our chance to talk to God. Praying is different for everyone, so there isn't a set way to do it. When you pray, you can ask God for anything, and He will answer you. You can also thank Him for what He's done in your life. You can talk about your feelings with Him, or you can worship Him. Have a time of worship. Worship isn't just singing songs. It's an act of thanking God for who He is and what He has done in your life. It's a time when you can speak to God by praising Him and telling Him how much you love and appreciate Him. Setting aside a time for worship can be part of your daily routine. If you have a set time each day when you worship God, it will soon become a habit. Once it becomes a habit, it will be easy to fit into your daily schedule, and it will be beneficial for you. There are a variety of ways to worship God. Some people like to go to church and sing songs to God. Others prefer to stay at home and sing songs to God there. Some people like to read the Bible, while others like to meditate on what they've read. You can also write down your thoughts and feelings about God and worship Him by reading them out loud. In conclusion, we all face challenges in life, and sometimes it can be hard to stay positive and happy. That's where God comes in. He has a plan for each one of us, and He wants to be part of it. He wants to love you, talk to you, and guide you through each day. Finding the time to get closer to God can seem difficult, but it's worth it. With these 3 ways to get closer to God, you can start your journey to a happier, more fulfilled life.